So hi guys, jogging muna tayo sa MOA. So this is the Mall of Asia. So it's 6 AM in the morning. So as you can see, ang daming mga nagbibisikleta. So ito yung area kung saan maraming nagjo-jogging every 6 AM to 8 AM. So this is the seaside area. Ang maganda dito sa Mall of Asia, sobrang lawak. So as you can see at the back side, ito yung Manila Bay. So papalabas pa lang yung araw. So it's like 1 kilometer dulo to dulo. Pwede ka mag-jogging dyan. So ngayon it's still early, like I started at 5:30 to 6 AM. So mayroon ding mga nagja-jog dito at mga nag-zumba. Mas masaya dito guys kasi maraming nagja-jogging, so pwede kang sumabay sa kanila. So ayan, mga nagbibisikleta, marami din tong mga vlogger. Maraming mga vlogger dito sa Mall of Asia. So ang sarap mag-jogging every morning para makaiwas sa sakit. So this video guys are just my storage. This YouTube is my storage of my videos. So ang sarap dito, pero minsan hindi din safety dito kasi last time may inararo ng sasakyan. So ayan, walang sasakyan dito from 6 AM to 8 AM every weekends. So yan yung area ng Manila Bay. So ngayon may building na ginagawa dyan, Pearl of Manila. So pag matapos yan, may sariling water taxi. So at least may memory pa ako dito. So may Ferris wheel na malaki. Paggabi dito guys, maraming inuman, kainan. So for me, Mall of Asia is one of the best mall of the entire Philippines. Andito na lahat. The structures are very unique. The building structures are very unique. So it's still early. So ang dami nagbibisikleta. As you can see, pwede kayo magdala ng bisikleta dito. Tingnan nyo, paikot-ikot lang sila. So may mga grupo din yung mga nagbibisikleta dito. Actually, Mall of Asia is one of the country's pride when it comes to mall. It is because that it's very huge, wide. Look at the structure. It's a new structure in the Mall of Asia. Yan. So at night time, so maraming coffee shop dito. May mga bar, kainan, but still clean and organized. Yan. Ferris wheel is 150 pesos at the speed of I think 3 to 5 kilometers per hour. So mayroon din ditong Love Lock. So magdala ka lang ng susi dito. Pwede mong ilagay sa remembrance. So guys, see, ang daming mga nagbibisikleta kasi parang 7:30 AM na to. Mall of Asia is still a best place to do jogging. Ang lawak hindi lang dito, nandun pa yung City of Dreams, Soler area, nandun pa yung Makapagal. So ang lawak nito. Nandito din ang pinakamalaking Starbucks sa entire Philippines. At saka pagpupunta ka dito, very relaxing. So nagja-jogging ako dyan. May mga police din dito. Mga police na nagabantay, may mga vlogger. Ang dami din nagwa-vlog dito.
TV. Yan taka, yan kita.
May mga patrolman. Tumitingin din for safety.
Kuya, hanggang anong oras lang dito na
It's still early,
close siya? From 6 a.m. 6 a.m. 5 a.m. to 8 p.m.
So, to sum up, Mall of Asia for jogging, it's 10 out of 10, very relaxing, and it's very wide, and you can really enjoy because there are a lot of people also doing the jog, bikings, and there are a lot of vloggers. So see you again guys for my another vlog.